We at Tower Chrysler would like to introduce to you Big Red, the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab with, of course, a wonderful red exterior. This Ram is running on 37-inch Mud Hog tires with 20-inch Mayhem rims. Under the hood, we have a 5.7 liter V8 HEMI, giving this beautiful Ram 395 horsepower. Along the driver's side door, we have the power lock, power window, and power folding mirrors. This Ram 1500 seats up to 5 people with premium leather seating. If you're on the driver's side, you get access to power seat and lumbar support. On the right side of the steering wheel, we have the cruise control settings and your gearing. On the left side, we have your voice recognition, Bluetooth, and in-dash menu board buttons. On the other side of the steering wheel is your audio controls. As we head into the odometer, it reads 44,626 kilometers. This Ram comes with a Uconnect touchscreen, so you can access AM, FM, and satellite radio. When we go into reverse, you get a full rear view camera. When to controls, you get heated and vented front seats along with heated steering wheel. And when we go to nav, you get a full detailed screen to guide you where you need to go. Down below is your dual zone climate control system, so you can independently control the driver's side and the front passenger. You can choose to do it by the buttons down here or on your Uconnect touchscreen. And to cap off the center, you have your trailer brake, your tow mode, as well as your park sense for your front and rear, as well as your heated and vented seats and heated steering wheel buttons. Moving to the back, we have 3 more seats with lots of legroom. Moving to the back, this Ram comes with a 5'7" box with a tonneau cover. So there you have it, a 2014 Ram 1500 Crew Cab Sport, aka Big Red. If you like what you see and would like to come down for a test drive, or if you have any other questions, come see us at Tower Chrysler and get that Tower Power deal. You can also call us at 403-278-2020. Until next time, thank you for watching.